nothing should stop you from being a farmer or from making money when it comes to farming. I've told you not once, not twice, many times that in your capacity, regardless you have another job, you can still do something in farming. You can do simple things that gives you good return. Don't run to the project, or don't adopt a project that you are interested in making millions of money. All you need is just that small and available amount of money. A very good example is what I'm doing in this section. I've done a Sukuma Wiki, and for your information, I can be able to sell at least 200 to 500 shillings from this unit per week. If you're able to sell such amount of money from your side, you can save a lot the money that you're getting from the job that you're doing. And also this can encourage you or can motivate you to expand your farm or to get serious in what you're doing. Once you get the taste, or once you get something from farming, can be the biggest motivation for you to get into a bigger or a planned farming that you're thinking about. So if you have not started, don't stop. Don't think that you can't do it. You can do this. Do the irrigation in the morning, do the irrigation after job, and also do the pruning and the necessary fertilizer application and some product or pest and disease control during the weekend. And on daily basis, you make your money. It's as simple as that. Agriculture is among the ventures that you can make good money in a simpler way, without struggling, and in a relaxed mode. What are you waiting for? Why don't you choose such a small project, such a small unit, and make returns out of it? You don't need to go to onions, you don't need to go to tomatoes. Just start with just these leaves, then graduate to the next level. All you need is a starting point to motivate you, to give you the taste of agricultural money like we've tasted them. And I'm telling you the truth, it will change your farming mentality or your farming plan for life. Hope you've learned something. If it's the first time that you're watching me, kindly like this page. And for more information, go to my YouTube channel at Farm with Fred. Subscribe so that we can continue learning together. Bye.